Hey, Slow Flow Nose back at you with another tech take, and this is one of those pieces of tech where you didn't know you needed until you actually got your hands on it. My only regret is that I didn't have this a lot sooner, especially for $39. All right, today we're taking a look at the Miden S7 2.5K front and back dash cam, an IPS dash cam screen with loop recording, night vision, wide dynamic range, and a 64 gig card included. And well, today with the drivers out there, they think they own the road. This is a great device to have in your car to capture everything. It also does all the work for you. Also, let's say you have an older car that does not have a backup cam. Well, the S7 gives you a second camera to install in your car that will act as a backup camera when backing up. And of course, it'll record traffic from the back along with the front as well. Now, in the box, you'll get your dash cam, which is small and compact. On the back, you have your IPS screen, and on the side, you have your power, mode, and OK button. Okay? And on the other side, you have your next, back, and menu button as well, and also a little space for your 64 gig card too. Now on the top you have your USB-C charging port, an AV port for the rear cam, and of course a thread for the included windshield holder. You also get a USB-C to car adapter that gives you continuous power to your dash cam. You also get a backup cam that has a very long cord, so you can track that from the front of the car all the way to the back. A USB-C to USB-A cord, mounting screws, and a sticker for the backup cam, and of course your windshield suction cup. There's also a USB to SD card reader, and of course your instructions. Now, installing this is simple. Attach your camera to the windshield holder, then place it on the windshield using the suction cup, making sure it's not obstructing your vision. Plug in the power cord on the top, and if you like, you can tuck away the cords behind some of the panels of your car so it looks nice and neat. Now, once the cord is tucked away, plug in your power cord and you're all set. Now, if you want, you can install the rear camera too. It's not necessary, just make sure you tuck away the cords and find a secure spot for the camera. Now, keep in mind, in order to activate the backup cam when you're going in reverse, the instruction manual does recommend to have a professional do it, but you totally can do it yourself if you're savvy enough. Okay, once you're all set, turn on your car. Now, this is what I like a lot about the S7. You don't have to worry about turning the camera on or off. It's all powered automatically when you turn on your car. And well, when you're done, turn off your car and the power stops going to your camera. Now, as you can see, the footage on the S7 looks good. I've been using this for the past 2 weeks and it really is a seamless experience. I installed it and never had to mess with it again, unless you wanted to mess with the options. Now, speaking about options, let's take a closer look at the camera. You can cycle through different views: a corner view, split view, and front view, or rear only, and then back. Then you have the menu button, which allows you to adjust the video settings, such as your resolution, dual camera, exposure, and other settings as well. Also, press the menu button again, you have additional settings that you can adjust. You can even turn the mic on and off as well. Now, press the OK button to manually start recording or stop recording, but remember, it starts recording automatically when the power is turned on. You also have your mode button that switches from video, photo, and of course, playback. You can also cycle through your previous recordings as well. There's also a lock button and of course, your power button. And as you can see so far, this is very straightforward to use. And well, if you really want to get into the nuts and bolts of the camera, you can do that. All right, as you've noticed by now, it does give you a nice image at day and night. My only gripe, well, the camera ball head, it's kind of loose, so just make sure you tighten it really well. Outside of that, you got a great product here at an incredible value. All right, hope this video helped you out. Take care, bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own S7. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, that's enough. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.